Ladies and gentlemen, it's what you've all been waiting for. The battle of the decade. Designer versus AI. In one corner, with a decade of design experience, an undefeated record of knowing how to make it pop, and is not afraid to take on a challenge, Ashley. And in the other corner, coming in a little over a year old, a heavyweight contender in the AI space with over 13 million members, Midjourrney. Let's get ready to rumble. But first, let's get into what is generative AI. Generative AI, also known as generative artificial intelligence, is a subset of artificial intelligence that focuses on creating and generating new content, such as images or text. It involves using algorithms and models to generate original content based on patterns and examples it has been trained on. In the context of image generation, generative AI refers to the ability of AI systems to create new images that resemble real-world objects or scenes. These systems can analyze existing images, learn their features and patterns, and then generate entirely new images that are not copies but rather unique creations, which brings us to Midjourrney. Midjourrney is an example of a generative AI system where you can create images from text descriptions known as prompts. So you're probably wondering, okay, how do I add Midjourrney? So, in order to utilize Midjourrney, it is necessary to add it to your Discord account. If you do not currently have an account, you must first register for one. Once you have an account, you can subscribe to one of Midjourney's plans, which includes Basic, Standard, and Pro. After subscribing, click on the plus symbol located in the toolbar off to the left of the server list and join a server by typing in the link. You can then select any general or newbie channel, which will grant you access to the Midjourrney bot. Now let's get to the good stuff. How do you use Midjourrney? So, using Midjourrney is pretty simple and straightforward. Type out the imagine command to generate an image using a prompt. Type a description of the image you want to create in the prompt field. For this video today, the prompt will be a Basquiat painting of Muhammad Ali with a bee and a butterfly. So one thing about Midjourrney, since it is AI, sometimes you have to redefine your prompt so that it can actually produce the result that you want. So I had to do a bit of adjusting on this prompt a bit. So Midjourrney takes about a minute to produce a result, and make sure you stick around to see what Midjourrney came up with. In the next section, I'm going to show you a real quick time lapse and show you what I designed. So I decided to create my design in Photoshop and use various assets from Unsplash and Adobe Stock. I did link a few of these down in the description box below. Basquiat used bold colors and dynamic brushes in his paintings, so I wanted to make sure that I did the same. Since I'm dealing with a photograph, I used the filter gallery to add paint strokes and chalk-like marks. I utilized grunge Photoshop brushes to design a bee and butterfly in a graffiti style near the top of my artwork. And we also can't forget about the iconic crown that Basquiat is known for. Now let's compare my design to Midjourney's. So glad that you got to the end of my video here. So we actually went over quite a bit, like what is generative AI. I also talked to you about what Midjourney is and how to add the Discord server to your account and how to come up with some prompts as well. And I hope you also enjoyed the whole time lapse of me creating my design and then Midjourney creating their own design. And let me know in the comments who you think beat out the other, or if it was a tie, or if it was a complete knockout. So if you would please also subscribe and make sure you click that bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I drop a new video. And thanks for watching.